I don't know if you can hear the sound of this catfish sizzling in the pan, but it smells great. I can sense all of those herbs, a little bit of that cayenne, which I don't normally use, but I'm really glad I did. And the last part of this is to plate the dish. And what you do is you take Mr. Joe's tomato gravy, and then you take 2 slices of that catfish, and you can see all that seasoning on it. And then you take 2 pieces of bacon and a little bit of parsley with a lemon wedge, and don't mind my using my fingers, your fried spicy artichokes. And what you end up with is this beautiful, beautiful Mr. Joe's catfish dish.